Hi there, my name's Eeshira and I'm absolutely passionate about the power of sound to bring transformation and healing in our lives. Well, I want to introduce to you this 111 Hertz tuning fork. I produce these and they're available to you wherever you are and they are available to you wherever you are in the world. And the reason why I love this fork, and I actually call it a master frequency, is because it does so many different things for us. This has been used as a frequency already since the 1940s for insomnia in Russia, and it's amazing for deep relaxation. It is causing a hemispheric rebalancing, so it helps us come more into the intuitive mind, problem solving, big picture, and we need both parts of our brain to be in balance. It's also very good for stimulating beta endorphins. So if you're having a bad day, stressed out, not feeling well, then it can really help uplift our mood. It's also helpful for reducing pain. Had amazing results with people who have had physical injury, who have had cancer, and simply by using this, stimulating the beta endorphins for maybe 10 minutes to get out of having a headache, or perhaps longer if you've got bellyache going on from indigestion, or longer still if you've got something more serious and chronic going on. And what I'm doing here is I'm striking it and placing it on the bone. Sound into bone travels 10 times faster. So if I want to deeply shift the body, I'm going to place it on the nearest bone to any challenge. And I'm going to use this little bone here to strike lightly on. And I use the weight of the fork. Don't need much pressure. I don't need to force my physical muscle strength to actually strike it. Just a simple strike. And I can play it to my body. And what I love about sound is it's so intelligent. It is looking for the weakest link. It is looking for knocking on the door of where am I holding? Where am I tight? Where is there tension? Where is there blocked energy? Where is the energy stuck? And if I close my eyes and take some deep breaths, and start to tune in where that sound is traveling. Today it's going to my belly, and belly is where we can hold a lot of emotions. This is also great for enhancing your memory. It's good for learning difficulties, very, very good for autism, Asperger's and ADHD, and UCLA and Princeton universities have done some very interesting studies on this. And there's also been showing a benefit to diseases which have their root in the cerebellum, which is part of the reptilian brain. So this is a reset from fight, flight, or freeze. So it really helps us step out of that fear-based world we might be living in and shift our state back into more balance. And it also helps expand our energy. So it's helping move energy, which is why it shifts in the body. And it's ultimately taking our body to unity. It's activating our divine self, solar self, if you like, Buddha, Krishna, Christ, or beyond that, just simply love. And as it is knocking on the door where we're holding, if we breathe into that and we let go, then we can fully expand and we can really kiss the reality of the fact that we are surrounded by love in every moment, bathed by that connection with the divine. So if you're having a bad day and you'd like something unique and something fabulous that doesn't need batteries, can't be broken, and you'd like to add it into your first aid kit, I highly recommend 111 Hertz. I carry mine with me in my bag everywhere I go. It's pretty light. It can be taken through airports easily, no problem. And there's always someone having a bad day, or you can instantly help yourself out. You can also encode and energize your water. So many different things you can use it for. So if you'd like to get one, please check out the link and click on that, order yours, and you will automatically also get a free ebook. And the ebook is packed with tips and all the research I have started to mention here, so you can find out more about this amazing master frequency. I truly believe if we had one fork in our toolkit, this would be the one to get. Thanks so much for watching. Wishing you a loving and peaceful day and a high vibe one too.